Hello, this is Dr. Dyer with Texas Size Smiles. I have a patient here today where we are putting some crowns on implants, and I'll show you on the x-ray here what we're looking at. So as you can see on the x-ray, this patient has had 2 implants by our periodontist, and we are doing the restorative or the crowns on them. Well, these are the crowns that we're putting in. As you can see, they're one piece crowns and abutment, so it's all one piece. The reason we do it that way is so that there's no leakage to worry about between the crown and the abutment that supports the crown. So this part, the silver part, goes below the gum line directly into the implant, and then there's a little tiny screw. As you can see right here, this little tiny screw holds the implant to the crowns. Another advantage is that gives us the ability to retrieve the implant or the crown. If anything goes wrong, we can go right on down through this hole and take the screw out, take the whole crown and abutment out, and repair anything that might be damaged. Gives us the option to completely redo it if the crown breaks or whatever, so it gives us a little more flexibility. Here's the molar crown. It's made the same way, porcelain stacked on the metal, and you can see the hole down through the middle. Okay, this is our patient. You can see she's missing 2 teeth here, and the implants have already been placed. Okay, I'm placing the tooth in here. As you can see, this is the implant crown. Slide it into the implant, and then we have this little tiny screwdriver that we use to tighten that screw down. This is all done without any anesthetic because it doesn't hurt. It's just inside the gum tissue.
And tighten it down.
Okay. You can see we have a nice cosmetic result, and these are really solid, so you chew on them just like you would any other, like your own teeth, and you can floss them in between just like you would your own teeth. Makes it easier to maintain and take care of and keep them clean. So this is the closest thing we have to getting your own original teeth back. And then we're going to fill in these holes with some composite filling material, and then if we ever have to get back in there, we just take the filling material out and unscrew them. We're able to retrieve the whole thing later on if necessary, or if they get loose, we can tighten the screws up later on.